Okay, example 1. We are supposed to work out angle Y. So we start by labeling opposite, hypotenuse. So we check the triangle. We're going to use the sine triangle. Now we are looking for the angle. The angle represents the sine because it's sine of the angle. So we cover the angle sine. That means that y is equal to the inverse of sine of the opposite over hypotenuse. Because it's the sine triangle, we are using the inverse. So y is equal to sine neg 1, which is the inverse of opposite over hypotenuse. Replace O and H with the numbers, and this is what you have. Now you pick your calculator to do that. Those of you who are not conversant with the use of the calculator, this is what you're supposed to do. You press the shift function or the second function in the calculator, then you press sine, and you see sine neg 1 with a bracket open. Then you type in 8, bring the cursor here, bring it down, you type 20, go to the right of the cursor, move it to the right, close the bracket, hit equal sign, and that will give you the answers 23.58. So follow the steps so that you will not make a mistake on the calculator. Let's look at example 2. We start by labeling adjacent this side, hypotenuse this side. That's the opposite, but we don't need it. So here we check and see. We're going to use cosine because A and H is in cosine. We are looking for the angle, so we cover cosine. And because it's a cosine triangle, we're going to work out x is equal to the inverse of cosine of adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Replace A and H with 6 and 10. Now on the calculator, press the second function or the shift function first. Press the cosine, and you see cos negative 1. With a bracket open, type in 6. Cursor at the bottom here, bring it down, type 10. Click on the right side of the cursor to move it to the right. Close the bracket, equal sign.